This is a quick video on how to fix your boiler if it's stopped working in cold weather. The chances are it's be gurgling like this, and that will be because the outside pipe that takes the condensation away has frozen solid. And in fact, this is ours, and you can see it's full of ice. It's all ice. So the way to fix this is either unclip the inside drain that runs into this hose, or use some hot water, pour it on, and it will melt the ice in the pipe and allow your boiler to carry on working. We'll probably hear this clear in a second. There you go. Straight away the boiler's running clean and clear, and the condensation is coming through. Look at this. All that water had collected in the pipe overnight and was blocking the boiler's condensation drain. So now the boiler's running more efficiently again, and it won't cut out in this awful cold weather. Thank you for watching.